These two are extruded material, are PLA on the left and Onyx on the right, and I just placed it under microscope to show you the texture, and I'm going to talk about a risk from Onyx material. Stay tuned. Welcome back. I had several pieces of Onyx material from Markforged, and I bond them together and simply wind them up on a spool to use them for the 3D printing. After doing the wind up, I noticed my skin was irritating, and I checked my hands when my skin. I realized it was full of carbon fiber and a small piece that was coming off the filament, and I thought like I take a piece out of my skin and stick it on the microscope, and as you can see, it's quite sharp and spiky material. If it goes under skin, you're gonna have a hard time to get them off, and this is again piece of my skin. I take it, I scratched off, and those black points are the carbon fiber, and to get literally rid of them, I peel off my skin. And again, this is another piece that I scratched off the filament. It was full of spikes, and those small spikes is basically the carbon material, and you don't want to breathe these small particles or get it under your skin. So I decided to extrude more material, PLA, and also Onyx material, to compare it under microscope. So I didn't check what was the magnification of the lens again, and just placed piece of glass on top of the lens and placed two pieces of filament. The first one is PLA, and as you can see, it's very smooth, very linear, quite transparent. And in compare to Onyx material, so this is Onyx, quite rough, full of spikes, and again this is a 2D picture because this spikes surrounded all around the filament or extruded filament. That's why when you're printing with this material, you get a better strength, because this spike get locked with the next layer when you're stacking up the layers or when you are printing your part. And also, this is another reason why the nozzle get worn out very quickly with this type of material. And this is a picture of a stainless steel nozzle, and as you can see, it's worn out. And pretty much that's it for this video. All I wanted to show you that Onyx material is not really a safe material, and it's when you work with it, you make sure you have a gloves on, and if you are doing any sort of grinding or doing sandpaper, using sandpaper, make sure you have a mask on. You don't want to breathe this material. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.